How to change ATT router to 2.4 GHz. Connect to your ATT network and open a browser. You will need the admin password, which is typically found on the side or back of your ATT router. Once logged in, go to the Home Network tab and click on the Wi-Fi section to adjust your settings. Click on Advanced Options for the detailed configuration. To separate the bands, rename the SSIDs for the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. This allows you to connect devices specifically to 2.4 GHz network. If needed, disable the 5 GHz band by turning off its broadcast. You can also set up a guest network that operates only on the 2.4 GHz band. Ensure the guest network is set to use only the 2.4 GHz band when setting it up. Some devices may struggle to connect to the 2.4 GHz network. Ensure the devices are compatible and move it closer to the router for a stronger signal. Following these steps will allow you to configure your ATT router to prioritize the 2.4 GHz network. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.